Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this awesome one-owner Honda MSX125. Registered the 14th of August 2025 on a 25 plate with only 2,616 miles and presented with the stunning Yoshimura decal kit. Better known as the legendary Honda Grom, the MSX125 is one of the most fun and distinctive lightweight motorcycles on the road. Its compact dimensions, lightweight chassis and punchy 125cc fuel-injected engine make it incredibly easy to ride, while its unmistakable styling ensures it stands out from the crowd. Perfect for commuting, city riding, or simply having some fun on the back roads, the MSX125 offers typical Honda reliability alongside incredibly low running costs. With its 5-speed gearbox, LED lighting, digital display and ABS, it may be small in size, but it's certainly not short on features. This bike will leave us serviced where required and with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection. It also benefits from the remainder of Honda's manufacturer's 6-year warranty for complete peace of mind. We can deliver this motorcycle anywhere in the UK and offer a wide range of competitive finance packages to suit your needs. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 48, WhatsApp 07359837799, or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Part exchanges are welcome. Please note there is a small £89 administration fee.